I'm gonna give you a quick review of the Condiment Dispenser pump kit. I got this from Restaurant Depot. You can order it online down there in the description. But this is it right here, and this is what it comes with. It costs about maybe $10, $12. But if you don't have time to go to Restaurant Depot or whatever, just go and order online. Just look at the link. But I'm gonna take this apart and show you what it looks like. As you see, I got a little oil dripping in the water. I already tried it out. So, and it comes with all these also different tops. It comes with all the tops, and these holes that are cut out is 1 1/16 of an inch. So like this top that came off this container right here, you can just drill a hole 1 1/16 and put this pump right on it. But I just want to demo something here for you. Let's take this off and let's just put a top on there. None of these tops fit this, but I'm gonna just put it on top just to show you how this works. Okay, as you can see, and it also has this extension. You see the water is not long enough. It's barely reaching it, so I'm gonna pump some of it out. You notice that it stopped pumping after I got almost to the end. So I put that extension on there. And you see the water is coming out smoothly. And the reason why I'm doing this video, because I bought one of the shorter ones, and we had a gallon jug and it wouldn't reach to the bottom. So we had to pour it out in something else. But the only thing you have to do is get an extension. Let me give you an example. So say for instance, we had this oil or maybe some ranch or whatever for our food truck. You notice that it's not reaching there at the bottom. So I need an extension, and that's the longest extension that they have. As you see, nothing's coming out. So what I did, I went and bought some hose. This hose don't come with the kit. I wish I would have knew this the other day. That's why I'm sharing it with you. You see this hose right here. So what I did, I went to my local hardware store and I bought this hose. So I'm gonna cut a piece off about 4 inches. That's about all I need, about 4 inches. As you see, I cut 4 inches off and put it on. Now it extends to the bottom. So now we're gonna go ahead and pump. As you can see, the oil is coming out, no problem. And every full pump is 1 ounce. And it works great on a food truck. And if you got a lot of kids or a lot of people at your house, you might as well buy the family pack and use this pump kit to get all your condiments out. So it's a real handy device. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. And also look in the description if you would like to purchase this pump kit. I know I made a mess here. Have a great day. Thanks.